Introducing the Ford F-150 Black Widow package by SCA Performance. Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager at McArthur Ford here in Salina, Kansas, your off-road truck dealership right here in the heart of the U.S., bringing you another package that we like to stock here at McArthur by the SCA Performance guys. And we love those guys there. They do a great job on their different packages and the look of their trucks, but better than that, they back everything 100%. So there's a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty here on everything that they put on the truck, and they do a really good job of covering everything for you and taking care of you after you purchase the vehicle. And that's why we like to work with them. There's some other companies we've worked with in the past, but they are really the best when it comes to that. So I think you're really going to like this video, so let's go ahead and dive right in and take a look at this Black Widow package. Now, you can get the Black Widow package in about any of your Ford F-150s, an XL, XLT, Lariat, even some of the Platinums and the King Ranches if you'd like. We like to base them all off the XLT with that Sport Appearance package. We try to keep that cost down as much as we can. And another reason why we like the Sport Appearance package is we think it goes really nicely with the Black Widow package, because you're going to have your body colored grille up here with the grille inserts, and you're going to get body colored bumpers as well. So a real nice look to it, sport look to go along with this package. Now also what SCA is going to do then is they're going to put a 6-inch lift kit in the truck. So we're going to ship it off to them. They put a 6-inch lift kit in it. So really good suspension system that goes with that. They're also going to recalibrate the speedometer and do a 4-wheel alignment, so that way it's ready to go and handle any off-roading you're going to want to put it through. So real nice. Also, you're going to see the hood vent. Custom SCA Performance hood vent that goes on the Ford F-150, specific to the Ford F-150 hood. And you're also here on the front of it, you're going to see the SCA Performance window banner that they put on it as well. Now over here on the side, you're going to see the fender flares that they added. So they're painted to match fender flares, pocket style as well, so the nice look to them, so that really adds some flair to it, and that's what SCA likes to put on them. Looks real sharp. Also the wheels. We do have these Black Widow designed wheels here with a Black Widow center cap. They are black alloy wheel, real sharp, 20-inch wheel on this. You can get some optional wheels as well that we have. Actually, we have one right now with 22s on it, but this is what comes standard on all your Black Widow packages. Also, you're going to get these nice big 35-inch all-terrain tires. They're BF Goodwrench brand, so I think you'll really love the quality and to be able to get through any kind of mud and terrain that you might want to put it through. Also, they also add these brake caliper covers. So they are SCA etched there, red brake caliper covers that they like to put on all their Black Widow vehicles as well. Now here on the side, you're going to see their Nerf bars. So it is that black tubular running boards over here on the side with the special Black Widow badging there on each of those pads for the two doors there, getting in and out, which looks real sharp on the truck. And then you'll see the badging over here on the doors. They are the Black Widow with the little bow tie that's painted red as well, and a nice look to it. In fact, we like the bow tie look on the Spider so much that here on the back of the bed on each side, we added our custom 4x4 graphics that we had done here at a local shop with the 4x4 on the side, and added the Black Widow underneath there. And that's something that we just kind of threw in with this package as well. Now moving to the back, you're going to see back here the decal. Of course, we continued to put a little decal back here as well. That's something that we added to the truck. Also back here, you're going to see the SCA Performance license plate. Now you're going to get one of those with each of your vehicle, because some states don't require a front tag, so you can put that on the front of it and supporting them and telling them everybody about them. And then you're going to see the SCA badging underneath the one that we have on there as well. Now we're going to open this up because also SCA puts a spray and bed liner in here. So they do take off the box link as well as the hooks there, and they go ahead and spray that liner in. And it looks like I just noticed that the LED lighting isn't the factory one, so I think what they do is they take that off and they put their own custom one in there, and it looks a little bit different than the one from the factory, so they do a good job with that as well. You're going to see the SCA Performance website banner on the back of the rear glass back there as well. And then over here on the side, you're going to see, and hopefully got a good clip of that earlier, you're going to see the dual performance exhaust on this, and this is a Gibson brand and a real nice exhaust. Gives it a nice deep rich feel, and we always base these on the 5.0 liter V8 engine, so you get that aggressive V8 sound with this nice performance exhaust. Now, SCA also does some things here on the interior that we really like, and one of those is going to be the embroidered headrests. So they look real sharp here. It has the Black Widow and the bow tie there within that Spider. It just looks real sharp on these headrests for these front seats up here. Also, they usually paint to match the interior with the exterior. We actually wanted to go with the black instead. So you're going to see the door handles, the vent covers, and even here on the instrument panel that they're painted black on this particular one. So they take those off, professionally paint them. Just looks real sharp. It's kind of a high gloss gloss finish on that I think you'll like. Also, you're going to see the gauges. SCA likes to upgrade those gauges with the Black Widow spider there, as well as you're going to see the red gauges and the red lights when you have that vehicle turned on. Just looks really sharp there in their gauge cluster. And then they also put front window tint on this as well to kind of finish off the vehicle. So that's the Black Widow package by SCA Performance. We really like this package, and again, we like working with SCA because they do a great job of backing theirs with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. So they're going to warranty everything that they do on the truck and everything that I mentioned on the vehicle. So I think you're really going to like it. You can find our inventory here at lawmcarthur.com. You can check out our aftermarket center. There's a drop-down tab, and we have a page for the Black Widow. This video will be on there, as well as some other information on the full details that I went over in this video right there on our website, as well as you can see our current in-stock Black Widow vehicles. Right now we have 3, but that inventory always is constantly moving, so you definitely want to check that out and see what we have on there. If there's a truck in our inventory you'd rather have put on a different color or whatever, we can take any of the vehicles in stock or anything we want to order as well for the Ford, and we can take it to SCA, ship it to them, they'll put this package on it, and they'll ship it back. So again, this is a great package. I think you really like it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and don't forget, go to our website, lawmcarthur.com, or you can give us a call or send us a text message even at 785-378-5031. And if you happen to be watching this video on YouTube, we have a special offer just for you. If you mention that you're watching this video on our YouTube channel or on on YouTube itself, just go ahead and let our coordinators know that, and you get free shipping on any of our vehicles. So especially if you like this truck, we always have it at a good discount on our website. You're going to get that same price, but we'll still ship it right to you as long as you live within the 48 states within the U.S. So I think you'll really like that as a great opportunity to be able to get a good deal from a good dealership. We are certified SCA Performance dealer, so do check out our inventory, as well as if you want something ordered, you can contact SCA on our behalf, and we'll take care of you that way. So that's a great offer that I think you'll like. We do require that you finance through Ford, which a lot of the rebates do include Ford financing anyway, so that way you can get a great deal, get it shipped right to your door, which is great, and we can even do all the paperwork through FedEx and over the phone, internet. It's a great way to buy a vehicle, and if you go to our website, you can even work the deal right on our website on any of our vehicles. So it's a great opportunity for you. Evaluate your trade, all those other great benefits there on our website. And our vehicles have a 360-degree view, a VR virtual inside and outside view of the vehicle. So if you're wanting to kind of see what the things I'm talking about, you can get a nice close-up right there on our website. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you haven't had an opportunity yet, we have some great content, some great videos I think you'll really like. So definitely subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified the next time we have a new video uploaded to our YouTube channel. And we have some great content you don't want to miss, so definitely do that. And if you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up right now. And also write any comments that you might have or any questions down in the comments down below this video. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you join the Lawn McArthur YouTube community. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so that way you can join us on our journey through the different videos on our off-road trucks, as well as our Ford and Lincoln products. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one.